Yeah, so now yesterday, can someone remind me of what we treated yesterday? Anybody? Can anybody remind us what we treated yesterday?
We treated execution in Forex.
Okay.
Where we have market execution and instant execution.
Okay, that's one of the things. That's one of the things we treated yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we also talked about another thing. So is there anybody that can remind us the second aspect?
We talk about buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop.
Yeah. Mr. Julius. Mr. Julius, unmute yourself, Mr. Julius. Mr. Julius. Yeah, can you hear me? Mr. Julius, can you hear me? You've unmuted yourself already. Yeah, Mr. Julius, are you there? Hello. Okay, I think Mr. Julius is not able to speak. Now, Mr. Olarewaju. Mr. Olarewaju. Yeah, are you there? Can you hear me, Mr. Olarewaju? Mr. Olarewaju, I can see you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the second thing we discussed yesterday?
Yeah, sorry, sir. I wasn't in the train yesterday. I wasn't in the train yesterday. I wasn't able to send it.
All right. Now, Mr. Adewale. Mr. Adewale, are you there? Mr. Adewale, are you there? Mr. Adewale, did you attend yesterday's training? Okay. So now, we treated two things yesterday. Whereby I told you the first thing we treated was how to buy and how to sell. So now I'll be asking some few questions before we move on. Mr. Amos.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yes, now we discussed how to sell and how to buy. So now, let's assume we have Euro USD. When Euro is rising, like Euro currency pair, Euro currency is gaining more strength. So what do you do?
We buy USD.
When Euro is gaining more strength, what do you do?
When Euro is gaining more strength.
Yeah. Euro USD. But now at the point in time, you see that Euro is gaining more strength than the USD. So what do you do in that scenario?
We sell USD.
Sell USD. Then what we are, I've told you that Euro is the base currency there. So what do you do? Euro is the base currency. So what do you do to Euro?
Euro is the base currency.
Yeah.
And if the Euro is gaining more strength,
yeah,
it means that the economy in that particular place is gaining more strength.
Okay, so what will happen to the currency pair if the economy of that country is gaining more strength? What will happen to the currency? What will happen to the currency as well?
We have to sell the currency.
Okay, let me ask another person. Yeah, Mr. Kayode Daminare. Mr. Kayode Daminare, I've asked you to unmute yourself now. Unmute yourself. Mr. Kayode Daminare, are you there? I've asked you to unmute yourself already. Okay, Mr. Julius, are you there? Mr. Julius, are you there? Okay. Mr. Awal. Mr. Awal, are you there? Yeah, did you attend yesterday's training?
No, I didn't attend yesterday's training, and I have waited for you to send the video.
You've what?
Now. I have waited to send. I have waited for you to send the recording of the.
Oh, so I'm so sorry for that. I will send everything today by God's grace.
All right, sir.
Yeah, I will send it to you. Don't worry. So now, nobody is able to give me correct answer for the Okay, yeah, I think another person has come as is on the train now. Mr. Isaac. Mr. Isaac. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Okay, Mr. Julius, right? Okay. Yeah. So, Mr. Kyle Daminari, I've asked you to unmute yourself. So, unmute yourself and speak. Mr. Isaac, unmute yourself and talk. All right, no problem, Mr. Julius. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. Okay. I want someone to answer that question before me. Okay, Mr. Ferromi, let me ask Mr. Ferromi. Mr. Ferromi, are you there? Mr. Ferromi, are you there? Unmute yourself if you can hear me.
Sir, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah, one of the things we treated yesterday was how to buy and how to sell.
Hello,
So
sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, in a situation whereby we have euro and USD.
Hello, sir.
The currency pair we want to trade on. So now, then euro is the one gaining strength. So what will happen to like euro?
Hello, sir. I can hear you, sir.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in a particular country, like in European countries, euro is the one. European economy is rising, like it's gaining more strength. So what will happen to the currency?
Okay, yes, Baba. Although yesterday I was having network issue,
Okay.
but I could not get, but I can still relate to it. So what I'm thinking is that so far that euro is the one rising, that is gaining more strength in the economy, then you should buy, like you should buy euro.
You should buy what?
Like you should buy euro. Like so far that euro is the one gaining more strength, the economy of euro is increasing.
Okay.
Then you tend to buy.
Exactly. Mr. Amos, did you hear what Mr. Amos just said now? Mr. Amos, did you hear what Mr. Amos just said? Hello? Mr. Amos, did you hear what Mr. Amos said? So now I told you yesterday that when an economy of a particular country is gaining more strength, then that will affect the currency of that country positively. That means the currency of that particular country at that point in time will also gain more strength. So and when that's when that currency gain more strength, when you pair that currency with another currency, and that currency as well, like the other currency you are pairing that one with, when one is going up, when one is gaining more strength, then the second one will be losing its strength. So now, in a situation by a particular currency is gaining more strength, then what you need to do is to buy. Just like you want to, just like an investor, your money. You want to invest your money into some other business out there. So now, any country that is doing well, any country that is doing any company that is doing well, or any business that is doing well is the one that you can invest your money into and you get a reasonable ROI in return. But if you put your money into a business that is falling, then that means you shouldn't be expecting any form of ROI. Do you get it now? Do you get it now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So now, yesterday we also treated orders in the FX markets, whereby I told you that we have two types of orders. We have market execution and pending orders. So now, Mr. Kayode Ogujimi, are you there? Mr. Kayode Ogujimi, are you there? I've asked you to unmute yourself. Mr. Kayode. Mr. Kayode Ogujimi, if you can hear me, unmute yourself. Okay, if he's not there. Then Mr. Lamide, if you can hear me, unmute yourself. Mr. Lamide. Are you there, Mr. Lamide? Okay, I think he's not also there. So, Mr. Okay, Mr. Kayode Damilare, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, we have two types of orders. We have market execution and pending orders. In market execution, if you enter, how many types of orders do you have on market execution? Is either you do what or what on market execution?
Yeah, possibly we join you. Sir.
On market execution, what do you do? How many types of orders do you have on market execution?
We have only one type.
Only one type. We got give us the one type.
The trade is going to start immediately.
Yeah?
The trade is going to start immediately.
Trade with what?
We start immediately. Spending.
The trade will start immediately. That's market execution. But you can either do one or you can either do either this or this on market execution. So what do you do? You didn't get my question right?
Yes, sir.
On market execution, is either you buy or you sell, right?
Yes, sir.
And when you enter a buy trade or sell trade, your trade will open immediately. Either that trade will go in loss or will go in profit. That trade will start immediately. That was what I explained. That was the analysis I did for you yesterday. Like I showed you on my MT4, I enter some trades through market execution and I enter some trades on pending orders. So now I'll be asking another question from another person now. So Mr. Igris.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Igris. Now under pending orders. So how many types of order do you have on pending orders?
We have buy limit, sell limit,
Okay.
sell stop, and buy stops.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. So now, Mr. Amos, unmute yourself. I'll ask you to unmute yourself, Mr. Amos. I've asked you to unmute yourself now, Mr. Amos.
Yes, sir.
Sell limits. I want you to. I want you to explain buy stop. Buy stop to us. Buy stop. How do you enter a buy stop order? How do you enter a buy stop order?
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Did you get my question?
Yes, sir. I get your question.
How did you enter a buy stop order?
Okay. For us to enter a buy stop order,
Yeah.
after setting up the dot size, we have to understand where the market is at that current position, at that current time. So once we understand where the market is, then we need to do the calculation of the pips and the likes. So we have to put the line above. We have to put the line up.
You know what? You know what?
Hello,
For the
yes,
sake
sir.
of those people who were not who didn't attend yesterday's training. So I would like you to show us on MT4. Let me show you my MT4 now. So you show us on MT4 so that people who were not in the training yesterday we understand that better. So let me show you my MT4. Okay. Yeah. So this is my MT4. Can you see my MT4?
Hello.
Yes,
hello.
sir.
Can you see my
Yes,
MT4
sir.
now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now this is my MT4. Yeah, let me change this to So now, Mr. Amos, you want to explain what a buy stop is for us? So So let me increase this number. Let me okay, zoom out. Now, Mr. Amos,
Yes, sir.
I want
Baba.
you to explain a buy stop to every one of us. So how do you enter a buy stop order? Where?
Now, based on this MT4 now,
Okay.
we can enter the buy order at 1.28965 in such
I'm
a way
coming.
that
Let me take this horizontal line, or is it vertical line or horizontal line? Yeah. Now this horizontal line. So use it to explain buy stop order.
now this horizontal line now, it means that when the market gets, if I pick that particular position,
Okay.
that's 1.28, Abby, 1.28.
1.28754.
It means that when the market gets to that stage, if the market keep on rising,
Okay.
and it gets to that particular point,
Okay.
I will start making profits.
Okay. That means
So
when
it will trigger.
this place where our this horizontal line is, when a buy stop order is placed there. Now, when this market keep on rising to that place and our order is triggered, when that order
Yes,
continues
sir.
to go up, that means you'll be making more profits, right?
Yes, sir. I'll be making more money. But
So
if
what
it drop,
of it is if it's reversed
I will be losing money.
this order has been triggered,
I will be losing money.
you'll be losing money. Now,
Yes, sir.
is there any other person who doesn't get how to enter a buy stop order now? Anybody? If you don't get it, let me know in the chat, or you unmute yourself. Yeah. So let me call another. Let me call another person now. Yeah. So Mr. Julius, can you hear me clearly now? Like your network is stable now.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, good. So now, Mr. Amos has helped us out on how
Hello,
to set buy stop order. So now I want you to
Can you hear
set
me,
a sell stop order for us. Sell stop order.
Huh?
Mr. Julius. Mr. Julius, are you there? Can you hear me, Mr. Julius?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. Are you asking me a question?
Yeah, I said if I want you to help us set a sell stop order. Sell stop order. Explain how to set a sell stop order.
I believe you want to sell a sell stop order.
Yeah.
You have to pick an horizontal line.
Okay.
And put it.
Can you see my before?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah,
You, sir.
I've picked one horizontal line already. So now explain.
We are going to put it a little below where the market price is currently.
Okay, let me shift it. Okay, let's assume I put it here. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see.
So
It, sir.
what next do we do? Do we need to do?
Now, after we have placed the sell stop like that,
Okay.
then we will continue to watch the market. Then
Okay.
when the market price gets to that red line and it continue, the downward trend continue like that.
Okay.
Then we are going to start making profit.
What of
but if it doesn't,
pass? What if market get to that place after your order is triggered and just reverse back up? So what will happen?
we reverse back up, that means we will start losing.
But what if markets never get to this place? What will happen?
If the market price doesn't get to the sell stop we said, that means it won't make the order won't be triggered and there won't be a profit or loss.
Excellent. So now I think this is very, very clear. Like the two people that I explained the buy stop and sell stop, I am very, very sure that they get it. They both got it very correctly. So now, is there anybody having any issue setting a buy stop or sell stop order now? Anybody? Anybody, let me know in the chat or you unmute yourself. So yeah, thank you, Mr. Amos, and thank you, Mr. Julius. So now I will go in another person now. Let me check. Yeah, Mr. Ferromi, yeah. Mr. Ferromi, unmute yourself, Mr. Ferromi.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Hello, sir.
I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I want you to explain sell limit for us. Sell limit.
Baba, sorry, please. I was having network issue yesterday.
Okay.
So I was not really like. That's why I sent message yesterday when you were teaching us that I was having network issue. So it was logging me off and logging me on back.
Okay. So you didn't get the
Like
how to set a sell stop and buy stop. Sorry,
yes.
sell limit and sell limits, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me call another person. Then make sure you listen make sure you listen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let me call another person. Yeah, Mr. Agris, are you there? Unmute yourself, Mr. Agris. Now, Mr. Agris, you told me that you and someone are together. Let me check. Let me check the chat. Yeah, Mr. Toyi, yes, Mr. Naim, and Mr. Manuel. So now, Mr. Naim. Now, let me call on Mr. Naim now. Mr. Naim. Mr. Naim.
Hello, sir. Hello,
yeah,
sir.
Yeah, good day. So now I want you to explain sell limits. Now, can you see my MT4?
Sir. Baba. Hello, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you.
One like Mr. Naim, one like one lot according to by me at Mr. Toyib.
Okay, Mr. Toyib.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I want you to explain sell limits. Sell limits. Sell limits.
Okay, Baba. Sell limit is like if you want to place a sell limit on this chart now.
Yeah.
Like we will like that red line that red line will be below like I'm soon yes, yeah.
Okay. So now go on. I'm with you.
So once the market is once the market is going up, so we'll be at profit.
When this market is going up, we'll be at profit. Now this
yes,
our order is down there, down here. Now market will never get to this place. So now what will happen? You are not able to explain well, Mr. Igris. Yeah, you can help him out.
Yes, sir.
So now we want to set sell limits. So what do we do with this horizontal line here now? So how now you can instruct me to move this horizontal line either up or down, so that we know whether you get it very correctly or not. So now go on.
So we want to place sell limits.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
I'm with you.
Around where we have 1.2, sorry, sir, 1.287. No, we want to place the sell limit.
Yeah.
Sell limit. Okay. We are going to put it above 1.28836.
28836. Let me bring this up. Let me take this horizontal line up. Where? 1.28836.
Okay, like anything above that line, sir. The red line should be above the
current market price. The current market price, right? You mean yes, like this, Abi? Like here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now, what will now happen? How do we set our sell limits now?
Now, for the sell limit,
yeah.
If I understand it correctly, sir,
yeah,
we are.
I'm with you. I can't hear you anymore.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you now. Yeah, continue.
Okay. We are going to place the sell limit below this white line. The
Below this
horizontal
white line, this current white line, right? This one.
Yes, sir. Am I right, sir?
Okay. No, continue. I want you to explain so that. So is it going to be up or down?
Down. It's going to be down, sir.
Okay, like this. Continue.
Okay. I'm trying to understand it. Hey, sir. Okay.
Can anybody help him out?
Baba?
Yeah.
Baba, yes, let me help, sir.
That's Mr. Amos, right?
Yes, sir.
Very, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Please help me out, sir.
For the sell limit, sir.
Yeah.
It will be above. Okay, Lama Gbesi.
Okay, like this, Abi.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, sir.
Okay.
Now, tí nǹkan tá a ṣe báyẹn ni wípé because nǹkan tí a ṣe initially ni wípé what we project before is that okay, market mama lọ sókè, o mama buy.
Okay.
But tabati set sell limit yẹn.
Yeah.
Tí market àti emphasage àti wò wípé tí market bá ti dé at that particular point o kó máa buy kó máa sell padà.
Okay.
Instead of buying kó máa sell. So tí market bá ti débẹ̀ yẹn tó bá ti débẹ̀ yẹn tó bá ti trigger pẹ́rẹ́ tó bá wá ń padà bọ̀ wá sísàlẹ̀ it means that we will be making profit. But tó bá débẹ̀ yẹn tó bá trigger tó bá dẹ̀ sí lọ sókè a máa lose owó.
Exactly. That's fantastic. Yeah. Applause to Mr. Amos. He got it very, very correctly.
But please, get it. I mean, get it.
Mr. Amos said that, see, sell limit is market where you currently now. This market, you can see that this market is going up, right? Now,
yes, sir.
I told you that if you want to set sell limit, Omar, you must target resistance level, whereby I told you that okay, we are going to resistance and support and resistance is a topic on its own. We are going to treat it later. So now resistance level, let me sell limit. You see, when market get to that place, there are some certain points in the forex market that when market get to that place, to that point, market must change direction. You get it? So now, when market wants to change direction here, now let's assume that this is our area of resistance now. Now you emphasize that when market gets to this point or to this area, okay, let me take this let me use this thing. Yeah, when market gets to this area, you emphasize that market will get to this place and now fall instead of going up again. So now then you now set your sell limit here. Then when market get to this place, market will now sell. That means you sell. Do you get it now? That means when market gets to this place, we sell instead of buying. Yes, because when market gets to this point or to this zone, market must start falling. Then when market continues to fall, then you be in profits. Do you get it? Is anybody still there, like not getting it? Hello, do you get it now?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. I get it, right?
You understand
it now, sir.
Okay, now,
yes, sir.
Mr. Now, let me call another person. I want that person to explain buy. I want another person to explain buy limits now. Buy limits. Mr. Isaac, are you there? Mr. Isaac.
Yeah, I'm here, sir.
Yeah, explain buy limits now. Buy limits instead of instead of sell limits.
Instead of sell limits. Okay.
Buy limits to us.
Okay. It's just like opposite of that sell limit. So only market I'm gonna move red line, yes, sir.
Okay.
Below the
you can see my MT4, right?
Yes, I can see, sir.
Now, explain now. Let me drag this horizontal line either up or down, so that I'll know whether you get it or not. Now, where are we going to set our buy limits?
Below the white line, sir.
Okay. So now I should can I bring this horizontal line down?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Where?
What do I am? 1.28275, yes, sir.
Where? Is it okay like this?
No, kò move, sir.
Sísàlẹ̀ díẹ̀ àbí?
Kò move like kò move nbí.
Ó máa
Ibi tó
move.
wà tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ló wà. Okay,
Máa
ó ti lọ sàlẹ̀ jù, ó ti lọ sàlẹ̀ jù. Ó ti lọ sàlẹ̀ jù, sir.
Ó ti lọ sàlẹ̀ jù.
Like
Okay.
there.
Like this place, right?
Yeah, ibi that ní ẹ̀yẹ́ kí n trace it. Ibi 1 point, very close to 1.279. Yes, sir.
279.
Yeah, 1.27975. Yeah. So very close to the place, sir.
27. Okay. Okay, 27.
Like
I didn't get it.
1.27975.
1.27. 375.
97. Yes, sir.
Okay,
No,
okay,
like,
yeah. Okay, yeah. I get it now. Like this place, right?
Exactly. Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir. So
Now explain now.
the market bá ti dé ibẹ̀ yẹn.
Yeah.
That's why we take our sell limit, I mean buy limit, sir.
I didn't get that very clearly.
Like the market bá ti drop láti the market wà currently only 1.266 here.
Okay.
So because the market wà tẹ́lẹ̀ from February 24.
Okay.
That's our initial market gbọ́dọ̀ padà wá sí normal. So definitely tó bá fẹ́ padà wá sí normal I might need to take sell trade one, sell trade one, sell limit one.
I'm not talking about selling, I'm talking about buy limits now.
Buy limits.
Yeah. So now what will happen before this order is triggered? What will happen before this order? Let's assume we put our buy limits here. So what will happen to this order?
The order will be triggered as immediately market about débẹ̀.
Market
before
wá sálẹ̀. Okay, now tí market bá wá ti wá sálẹ̀, tó bá ti wá débẹ̀, kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀? Either be in profit or want to be in loss.
Profit, sir.
Either you want to be in profit or want to be in loss. What will happen?
Like we will be in profit if the market comes down.
Tí market bá ti débẹ̀, then tí market bá wá ṣe kí ni ó máa profit?
Tí market bá wálẹ̀, a máa take profit, a máa ní profit, but tí market bá wà in our favor, tó bá lọ sókè, that means
Mr. Isaac.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Isaac, you are sell stop see buy limits. Can anybody explain it very, very correctly?
Baba, can explain.
Mr. Amos again. Let me look for another person. Mr. Olamide, are you there? Mr. Olamide, are you there? Mr. Olamide, are you there? Can you hear me? Unmute yourself. Mr. Olamide, you can hear me, unmute yourself. Okay. Yeah, Mr. Kayode Ogujimi. Mr. Kayode Ogujimi, can you hear me? If you can hear me, unmute yourself. Yeah. Mr. Kayode, if you can hear me, unmute yourself. Okay, now, Mr. Amos.
Baba.
Now help us out. Sell, yes, buy limits.
Okay, sir. Buy limits.
Wait. Mr. Isaac, make sure you listen very, very clearly now. Mr. Isaac,
yes, sir.
Listen very, very good now. Now, Mr.
Yes,
sir. Continue. Yes, buy limits. He's trying to explain buy limits to us now. Buy limits.
As our line is on 1.27975 now, sir.
Yeah.
Tabati emphasize okay, that's where we want to put our buy limit.
Yeah.
The market bá ti wá sílẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀.
Yeah.
On sell nìyẹn, and the profit. But I said here wípé àti set here àti náà fojúsùn wípé tí kíní bá ti débi báyìí o, market máa padà lọ sókè.
Okay.
tó bá ti dé point yẹn tí market bá tó bá ti trigger tí market padà lọ sókè a máa wà in profit but tí market bá débẹ̀ yẹn tó trigger tó dẹ̀ ń lọ sílẹ̀ padà instead kó yẹ ká máa make owó a máa lose owó.
Exactly. Yeah, I brought to Mr. Amos again. Now he get the two, like buy sell limit and buy limit. He got the two correctly. So now I will send you the video anyway. I will send the video of yesterday's training and today's training to the group so that you go and watch the videos so that you get it very clearly. Do you get it now?
All right, thank you, Java.
So that's going to be our training for today.
Yes, sir.
So I will send you both the documents and the what's it called? I'll send you both the documents and the video by God's grace after this maybe in the next 30 minutes or 1 hour. So I will send you the video by God's grace.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Be our training for today.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yes.